Hello students, in this video we are going to learn one of the important short answer question from the chapter complex numbers. Let us see question. Show that 2 minus iota by 1 minus 2 iota whole square and minus 2 minus 11 iota by 25 are conjugate to each other. We have given two complex numbers to be proved as conjugate. Do you remember conjugate concept? A plus iota b, a minus iota b. Both are conjugate to each other. A plus iota b, a minus iota b. That means if one complex number is in the form of a plus iota b, the second one should be in the form of a minus iota b. Then those two complex numbers are said to be conjugate to each other. If you, okay, let us give names for the given complex numbers as something Z1, Z2. So we have to prove Z1, Z2 are conjugate to each other. If I observe Z1 and Z2, for Z2 need not to simplify. Z2 need not to simplify because already it's in the form of something a minus iota b, a minus iota. If you observe Z1, in denominator we have complex numbers. So you need to eliminate complex numbers from denominator. Then only we can get a plus iota b or a minus iota b form. So our aim is to eliminate complex number from the denominator of Z1. So after simplification, then compare Z1 and Z. Okay, shall we start the simplification of Z1 now? Z1 equals to 2 minus iota by 1 minus 2 iota whole square. What is the possible simplification? We can keep 2 minus iota same. Denominator is in the form of a minus b whole square. A minus b whole square formula, a square 1 square 1 plus b square, here 2 iota is b square minus 2ab, minus 2 into a1, b is 2 iota. Okay. Now Z1 equals to 2 minus iota same divided by 1 plus 2 square 4 iota square. Square applicable for both the terms, 2 square 4 iota square as it is, minus 2 2s are 4, 4 into iota 4 iota. So this is 2 minus iota same, we can write 1 plus 4 into iota square. The value of iota square known as minus 1. I told you to remember the value of iota square is minus 1, very useful. Almost all in every problem of complex number we are going to use this value, so don't forget iota square is minus 1. So 4 into minus 1, minus 4 iota same, minus 4 iota same. The only change is iota square replaced with minus 1. Now Z1 become 2 minus iota same by 1 minus 4, plus into minus minus, 1 minus 4, 1 minus 4 minus 3, minus 4 iota same. Now division of two complex numbers. I told you na, division of two complex numbers can be done easily by using rationalization of denominator, rationalization procedure. So what is rationalization of denominator? Multiplying and dividing with the conjugate complex number of denominator. In denominator we have minus 3 minus 4 iota. What is the conjugate of minus 3 minus 4 iota? You know, minus 3 plus 4 iota is the conjugate. Minus 3 minus 4 iota, conjugate is minus 3 plus 4 iota. Multiply and divide by minus 3 plus 4 iota. Now how Z1 changes as? Now numerator into numerator, 2 into minus 3, minus 6 plus into plus plus 2 into 4 iota, 8 iota, minus into minus plus 3 into iota, 3 iota, minus into plus minus 4 iota into iota, 4 iota square, whole divided by, now denominator into denominator, is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. Formula a square minus b square. Here 4 iota is the b value. 4 iota whole square. Now minus 6, write it same. 8 iota plus 3 iota, like terms na, add an addition, we will get 8 plus 3, 11. 11 iota minus 4 as it is into iota square. The value of iota square minus 1 whole divided by minus 3 whole square 9. Minus whole square is plus only, 3 square is 9, minus 4 square iota square. 4 square is 16. 4 square is 16. Iota square is minus 1. Iota square value is minus 1. Since iota square is equals to minus 1. Now Z1 changes as minus 6 plus 11 iota. Minus into minus plus 4 whole divided by 9. Minus into minus plus 16. Now on simplification, minus 6 plus 4. These are real parts. Real parts, in addition we will get minus 6 plus 4 minus 2 plus 11 iota whole divided by 9 plus 16, 25. Okay, Z1. Already we had Z2. We have Z2 as minus 2 minus 11 iota by 25. Now observe Z1 and Z2. Z1 minus 2 plus 11 iota by 25. Z2 minus 2 minus 11 iota by 25. What you observe? Just sign difference. Na? So if two complex numbers, just their imaginary parts differ with signs. If they have opposite signs, they are said to be conjugate. A plus iota b. Z1 is in the form of a plus iota b. Z2 is in the form of a minus iota b. So what you can conclude? Therefore, given complex numbers are conjugate to each other. Conjugate to each other. If you do like this, you are going to get 4 out of 4 marks. Next, similarly, we can do this question. Same, two complex numbers given, but this time I think for Z1, 2 plus 11 iota by 25. If you observe the denominator, it's a real number. If you have complex number, especially in the form of a plus iota b, then you need to go for rationalization process. So need not to simplify Z1. So just simplify Z2 and convert it into the form of either a plus iota b or a minus iota b. At last you can observe both Z1 and Z2 are conjugate to each other. Okay, you can do this problem, right?